The Pran Pratishtha or consecration of the Ram temple in Ayodhya is a highly anticipated event headlined by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The event, billed by the BJP as a grand spectacle ahead of the 2024 Lok Sabha election, is expected to draw over 10,000 special guests from across India, including 100 international dignitaries. However, the significance of this event has been shadowed by the decision of at least 2 out of the 4 Shankaracharyas, the most esteemed Hindu religious leaders, to abstain from attending. The Shankaracharyas of the Govardhana Peeth in Odisha's Puri and the Jyotirmath in Uttarakhand's Chamoli have cited various reasons, including the presence of PM Modi in the Sanctum Sanctorum, for their non-participation. The Puri Shankaracharya, Swami Nishchalananda Saraswati, expressed his concerns last week. He said, and I quote, "Lord Ram's consecration must be done in a dignified way. Prime Minister will be in the Sanctum Sanctorum and this is being given a political angle." He emphasized the need for adherence to scriptural guidelines during the consecration. The Shankaracharya of the Uttarakhand Mutt, Swami Avimukteshwaranand, echoed similar sentiments, emphasizing that the construction of the Ram temple does not symbolize a victory for the Hindu religion, contrary to BJP claims. On the other hand, the Shankaracharyas of the Sringeri Mutt in Karnataka and the Sharda Peeth in Gujarat have not confirmed or denied their attendance. Reports suggested that they may also abstain from the event. The absence of at least 2 Shankaracharyas has provided the opposition with ammunition to criticize the BJP, which has positioned the consecration as a landmark politico-religious event, showcasing PM Modi's credentials ahead of the election. The Shankaracharyas are the leaders of 4 sects founded by Adi Shankaracharya in the 8th century. They are considered the last word in interpreting scriptures and safeguarding the 4 Vedas across Uttarakhand, Gujarat, Odisha and Karnataka. While the Puri and Uttarakhand Shankaracharyas have firmly stated their decision not to attend, the Shankaracharyas of the Sringeri Mutt and the Sharda Peeth in Dwarka have been silent so far. However, both have released statements debunking reports of their non-attendance, emphasizing the joy for all Sanatan Dharma followers on the occasion. As the political row intensifies, the opposition, particularly the Congress, has seized on the Shankaracharyas' absence to highlight what they perceive as a divide between religious and political interests. The Shankaracharyas and the Congress share a common viewpoint that the temple's incompleteness and an inauspicious date on January 22nd cast doubts on the consecration. The event's organizers, including the chief priest of the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Teerth Kshetra, Acharya Satyendra Das, asserted that all preparations are being carried out in accordance with Shastras, dismissing any concerns about the event's legitimacy.
जो कुछ यहाँ हो रहा है शास्त्र के अनुकूल ही हो रहा है, शास्त्र के विपरीत कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। और जितने भाग में रामलला को स्थापित करना है उतने भाग बन गया है और उनका सिंहासन बन गया है, उनके भवन बन गए हैं, उनके जो होता है ऊपर गुम्बज वो भी बन गया है, सारी व्यवस्थाएं हो गई। आप दूर से देखें चाहे नज़दीक से देखें, पूर्णतया व्यवस्थित हो चुका है धरातल। एक भाग 3 भाग में बनना है, तो एक भाग जब पूरा हो गया है और उसके जो पूजा पाठ जो जिस प्रकार से होगी वो सब संपन्न होगा, तो इस प्रकार के सोचना और ऐसा कहना कि अधूरा है, अधूरा नहीं है। जो भाग में रामलला का प्राण प्रतिष्ठा होगी और स्थापित होंगे वो पूर्णतया व्यवस्थित हो गया, बन के तैयार हो गया है। इसलिए शास्त्र सम्मत है, शास्त्र के विपरीत नहीं है। और यह जो कह रहे हैं कि एक बहाना बनाना है न आने के लिए कि शास्त्र सम्मत नहीं है इसलिए हम नहीं जाएंगे, और शास्त्र के अनुकूल ही जितने भी कार्य हो रहे हैं वो शास्त्र के अनुकूल और शास्त्र ही प्रमाण है। और सारे मंत्र यंत्र और अनुष्ठान जितने भी प्रारंभ होंगे वो सब के सब शास्त्र के अनुसार है।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.